Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial ABCD. So today we'll be doing a flower pot. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. Okay. So you just select a rectangle, an ellipse. Okay. And drag, get to desired size. I'm going to give it a color value. So the eyedropper selected. Let's check this. Let me get the color value. So double click on this and then so 99322 is a color value. Okay, so let me go back to my main design and give it that color value by clicking on the color palette, then paste it. So Control V. Okay, so let me highlight it. Okay, so I'll click on this, Control C, Control F to copy and paste in front, then use the arrow key to move it a bit. Okay, so I want the intersection. That's what I want to achieve. Okay, so with the pathfinder, I'm going to look for intersect. Okay, so where these two objects intersect is what I want. So I want the intersection, the shape from okay. So that's our intersection. That's the shape we want. Okay, so a shape of a leaf, kind of a leaf. Okay. Then I'll select a rectangle, then draw over. Okay, so cancel. Let me give this color value. So let me highlight all. Okay. The shape builder. Okay, so I'm going to use the shape builder. Let's see what the shape builder will do for us. Okay, so select the shape builder, then while holding on the minus alt key, you can see the minus symbol and just click on the part you don't want. Okay, so this is what we've achieved. But one thing of the shape builder is it doesn't get the objects stuck to the objects. Okay, so after that you have to highlight and then group them. Okay. So let's try using the let me cancel this. Let me ungroup. Okay, so you can see what the shape builder is doing. Okay, so now let's draw another rectangle across and then give it a color value. Then the eyedropper and pick this color. Okay, or color picker. Then let's go to the pathfinder and then use divide. Okay, so let's see what divide gives us. Okay, so I'm going to double click. You can see divide, you are able to move all the objects again. So double click on the parts you don't want. Okay, so I don't want this part. I'll just click on delete. Okay. Okay, so you can see now all the objects are one. Okay, so unlike the shape builder, you have your objects not being one. So I'll delete this. Okay. And then let's do the main pot. Okay, so rectangle selected, I'm going to draw. Give this white value using the color eyedropper or eye picker. So the eyedropper. Okay. Control C, Control F for the leaf. Let's see something with these angles. Okay. 120, 270, or 180. See, 120. Okay, now rotate it. Put it here. And rotate it. Okay. So Control C, Control F. Then use the arrow key to move it down or just drag it down. Okay, so while holding Alt, I'm going to reduce it from both sides, and then stretch from the base. Okay, stretch the bit to desired height, and then I'll use you can round in it. So click here, hold Shift, and click on the other side. Then just round in the base. Okay, let's give it this color. So where's the eyedropper or color picker? Okay, so eyedropper, give it this color value. Select it first. And let's give it this color value. Okay, so they sell flower pot, but let's bring this in front. So right click and then arrange, bring to front. Okay, So let's align them. So Control C, Control F. Okay. So let's see. I'm just undo this rounding. Okay. So let's use the direct selection tool to taper the base. Okay. So select this and use the left arrow key. Select here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select here 2. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so let's see what we can do with our flowers. So let's multi-select. Oops, let me bring this one here. Let's multi-select. Okay, and then I'm going to try and reflect this or change the position. Okay, so let's reflect. And rotate it and see, still the same. Okay, so I want the shade. Okay, and then position it well. Okay, so if you like it this way, then it's okay. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.